Alrighty guys, good morning. What have we got today? We have a brand new Nissan Navara Pro 4X. It's going to get one of our electric rollers and we're going to refit the OEM sports bar as well. We're going to go through the assembly, the fitment, and we're going to get right into it. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fitment process of the Navara roller shutter, and the customer has gone and walked. Ricky, you reckon you can open it? Did I give you the keys? Beautiful, just roll it forward. That champion, that's all I need. All right, there we go. You see, the customer had a chance to just get it all opened up for us as well. And very, very straightforward. You can see, very straightforward operation. You get a pair of fob keys with this bad boy, and you can just roll it forward. When you roll it forward, the light comes on automatically. Dan, show them the light, bruv. You gotta know so that if they're working in the evening, you can see nice fit finish. And understandably, we got that sports bar refitted as well. Very, very nice. Apart from that, if you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. And we will catch you on the next one. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more of these fitting videos in the pipeline. See yous.